Hello everyone, I am Madhu,
And I'm Valentina.
and today we are going to share a beautiful topic. And we believe this topic is very close to all of you because you must be experiencing this kind of energy in your twin flame journey. We are going to take you deeper into the runner chaser dynamic, and we'll go deeper into why does twin flame choose to run, why this runner dynamic is there. Okay, so I'll request you to begin with it. So, why did I run? Maybe you can start sharing with that.
Yeah, and sorry, just before we start, I've just noticed that I chose to wear blue today and you chose to wear blue.
And again, I noticed that, but I did not tell you. And then, second, the topic,
I,
like I came out with this topic, and she said, like, okay, we'll record this topic. I said, okay, good, to inflame me.
no, no, I said to you, I think we should make the topic Twin Flames Runner Chaser. And he was like, yeah, I had already decided that all anyway, and here's the title that I chose. But honestly, I bought this t-shirt, it's blue. Like, I
Yeah.
bought it today.
Oh,
It reminds me of the sky, with the blue and the white. And then we started recording, I just can see he's wearing blue.
yeah. Yeah, it's because that I am moving through a like heavy schedule, and she is also. So we are, anyway, as we have committed that we'll keep on creating videos and keep on sharing the knowledge. So we are ensuring that we are keeping our commitment this time. We are not falling away from it. So yeah, so this is what is
We're
our
here to
meeting time. We are meeting, ensuring that we are doing our life purpose together, and we consider this our energy exchange as well. So most of the time when we record our videos, we are going to share with you our personal thing and also the information that you are calling in.
and the color matching.
And the color is matching. We are moving towards harmonious union.
Yeah, in alignment.
Yeah, it's like
Okay.
alignment. Like because like I have been healing the harmony like constantly. Like I chose to see harmony because like we are moving towards our physical union, and then yeah, these are like like the momentum. We are harmonizing on the stress level. These are easy to manifest, and then slowly you gradually increase the momentum and you really manifest the physical togetherness, harmony
Mhm.
in the location.
In the location. Okay, now let's talk about the thing that we're planning to talk about today, which is really important. So, twin flames, runner chaser. So, yeah. So basically, with twin flames, runner and chaser, um, I'm just going to tell you guys the truth. It's a lie. It's just nonsense. There is no runner. It does not exist. Your twin flame is you. It's your consciousness, and the only person you're running away from is yourself, your divine self, your true self. And so when you're in like twin flame situation, be it a true twin flame or a false twin flame, and you're experiencing that they are not, wanting to connect with you. It feels like they're getting further away, and they're just not there for you. They're just not around. And so with this, it means that within you, you feel like you're running from yourself. If you think about the mirror exercise, step one, I'm upset with my twin flame. Blank, fill in the name, whatever they're called. Because he or she is running from me. It makes me feel whatever, isolated or whatever, offended, whatever thing comes up, whatever feeling. And then step two, I'm upset with myself because I'm running away from myself. It makes me feel blank, whatever it is. So yeah, you're just running from your divine self, your true self, and you're listening to the voice of ego, and that's all that's happening here. And you can heal through this. We did. We know other twin flame couples that healed through this one and met their true twin flame. So it's no problem. Just keep doing the work and you'll make it through that.
Yeah, and one more component I want to add is like you can simply see like is there any part of you that is still holding on to fear and believe that fear is true and you cannot go beyond this fear. That is where the running mechanism or the running energy is rooted within you. Right. And once you root out that fear and allow God to flow through you, that is where you will feel the union within yourself. Right. And when you stop running from your true self, running from God, running from love, itself within yourself, that is where it will be easy for you to, break the pattern of runner and chaser dynamic. So just, go deeper into falling in love. The love, you call it love, you call it God, you call it true self, all come to the one basic thing, that is love, right? And you can simplify it by just feeling it. Are you really feeling loved? Not making like your twin flame as your source, like, okay, only when my twin flame is around, then only I'll feel that experience. No, the feeling that is within you is not generated by your twin flame. It's only that, when they are around you, you feel that they awakens that within you, but that is always there within you throughout your eternity, right? And you can never lose it. You can never go separate from the love that is there within you. And that is why it is the ascension journey. It's the inner journey. Deeper you go, sooner the runner chaser dynamic is going to end, because the person cannot run, because that's not a separate person. It's the same person, right? The moment you end it within yourself, you will see that, they stop it outside of you. You'll see, deeper you go towards your own true self, express your authenticity, express, it's safe to accept that you are in love and go deeper into that. You may feel like, okay, as per society it is not accepted, let it go. You are not created for the society. You are, anyway beyond. Anyway, your twin flames are here to break the societal pattern. So there
Yes,
is
we're
no,
rebellious.
absolutely, we have broken all the rules, so don't be afraid of any rules. Okay, so don't afraid of any of the rules, because you never know, why God is, God has created, right? It is God who created me in India and created her in UK. And now it looks like, externally it looks like we are so much away from each other, so separate from, we look so different. These are our illusion, because, the way we connect, we are one. We, the consciousness that flows through us, that is one. And it is just that expression, the outward expression, that looks different, but the inner being is just one, right? And that is where you need to also go, right?
Mm-hmm. And I just wanted to add, so not, I know you said it's a person, it's the same person. I know what you're saying, like there's no separation, but it's two people,
Yeah, just two people.
one
You have a free will, you have a
one
different,
being,
yeah, one being,
yeah,
absolutely, yeah. Thanks for
and
correcting
it's one
technically.
being. That's just the English. It's but Madhu knows exactly what this is. He knows there's no separation, and yeah, so it's one being, the same soul, and that soul, that the consciousness of that soul expresses through a masculine and feminine energy. That's it. But it's the
Absolutely.
same consciousness, and the
Mm.
actual consciousness has no there's no sex, there's no masculine or feminine to the consciousness. The actual consciousness, it
Mm.
just is the way it is. And those
Absolutely.
characteristics about yourself that aren't masculine or feminine traits, like your twin flame will have them as well, which is really cool. And
Absolutely.
that's why God actually created twin flames, because there was God, and then God needed some company, so he created all of his children. And from God were these like individual sparks of light. If you imagine, he didn't want all these little sparks of light to be on their own. So what did he do? He within that being, he developed the masculine and the feminine energies as one, so that they are never alone. They're always
Yeah. So
together.
that you can play with your twin flame. So play with them. Don't fight
What?
with them.
What do you mean by play? I think you should elaborate on what you mean.
It's like, like have a playful energy with your twin flame. Don't be afraid. Like every time they do something, you are like, oh, you know yes, they trigger that, and feel like, you need to run from them, and they also run from you because they get triggered. But this can end, your own ascension is going to end it, right? Your ascension, the moment you choose to go towards God, and God wants God created both of you to experience love, to experience playfulness, to experience joy, to experience
Mhm.
bliss. But in the separation, in the fear, we see it as okay, twin flame is like the most intense. We're just here to trigger each other. We are just going to, stay in the 5D. Those are not true. Those are not true. Yes, it takes a little bit of effort when it comes to inner work, but you need to
Consistent.
see, yeah, yeah, but you need to see that this inner work, once it is done for eternity. It is not just this lifetime. Like once we manifested each other, we are never going to go back into separation once, because our core choice is to go deeper into harmonious union, and we will keep on doing this throughout our lifetime, and we'll keep on
Mhm.
showing that to all of you, the energy, right? And so that you choose that within yourself. It's easy to be done. So commit to your own self, commit to God, go deeper with yourself. That is how you just end the runner dynamic in your twin flame journey.
Yeah, we so want you to have what we have. It's
Absolutely.
indescribable.
Yes.
We're here to
Yes.
support you, and we'd love to coach with you in our group coaching. More and more people are becoming interested, which is great. And we've still got some places left, so if you'd like to join our group coaching, the form
Most
is in the
welcome.
description below. We've got actually a class on tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. What day is it
On
today?
Saturday.
On Saturday, yeah. Okay, yeah, Saturday, 1 p.m. EST. We're there.
Good. So with this, we'll say bye and we'll see you soon. Thank you.
See you in the next video. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.